Hello all, welcome again to our channel All Things With Us, and welcome back again for another amazing video. So in today's video I'm going to be transforming this 4x6 bed into a modern design. You can see this was a wooden bed and I'm going to be transforming it into a modern design, and I'm going to be showing you all the steps, materials, tools and everything that I did use during this bed transformation. So the first thing that I normally do during this bed transformation is raising the height of the headboard, because these wooden beds normally have a height of about 3 feet. That is very short for a modern design. So I have to put that adjacent layer, that one that I'm touching there, so that it can reach at least a higher height where this modern design normally reach. That is about between 4 feet to 5 feet depending with the client's preference. Yeah, so after doing that I'm going to be using 3mm plywoods to attach them onto this new frame, now the headboard, and I'll be using nails, that is 1-inch nails, to attach them onto the frame. As you can see, the frames I normally use about 2.5 nails or 3 nails depending on the thickness of the pieces of wood that you are using. And yeah, that is basically what you normally do to make the frame. And this is the lower side of the bed, that is the leg side. As you can see, we also normally modify them because these wooden beds normally have a very thin pieces of wood. So I normally just modify them to give that illusion of a modern bed, and not necessarily a modern, and also to be more bigger so that you can see it's a modern bed. And I'm just showing you the nails that I've used. You can see I usually use nails to attach everything together. And after that I have new frames and new frames that I can work with. Yeah, so this is basically what you did. Anyway, if you're new here, feel much welcome. If you're already a subscriber, thank you for always coming back, watching our videos, liking them and commenting on them, and sharing with your friends and family. And if this is your first time clicking on our video, feel much welcome to our channel. Feel free to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so that you always get notified whenever we upload new videos like this and more. The other thing that I normally do is using these forms, depending with the design that I'm making. I normally use either 2 or 3 inch or 4 inch thickness of the forms that I use, and I use this glue. You can use contact glue, quick fix glue, or any glue that is being furniture glue that you can use to attach this form onto the frame. And for this certain design, this is the procedure to make this design. As you can see, I did cut it into half with an angle, as you can see, and after that the top part I did make the lines. The distance between the lines, depending with the bed or the size of the bed, I normally either use 7 inches, 7.5 inches or 8 inches. That is the distance between the lines. And then I did cut this one because the design the client wanted had this shape, as you can see, but everything will make sense after you see the whole bed transformation. Kindly watch the video till the end so that you can fully understand all the steps, all the materials and everything that I did use during this process. For a 4x6 bed, I normally use about 7 meters of fabric, as you can see, and the client wanted this off-white fabric. Yeah, so for a 4x6 you can use about 7 meters. For a 5x6 bed you can use about, no, for a 4x6 you can use 6 meters, sorry, 4x6 6 meters, 5x6 7 meters. And that you can, if you have been doing this for if you have experience of using the fabrics, this one will be enough. But if you are not experienced using these fabrics, because I normally use the exact measurements or meters of fabric, because I know how to utilize all the fabric without you wasting or the fabric not fitting everything. So if you are not used to this, you need to have an extra 1 meter, not 1 feet, an extra 1 meter of fabric. because if you don't have experience of cutting, where to start, how to cut the fabric and everything, it will not fit the whole bed. So after making the lines, as you can see, I had to put this golden strap because the design that I'm making has the golden straps. And then now I'm left with making the lower side of the headboard. As you can see, I'm going to be attaching the leftover foam that I did cut from the upper part. But if you watch the video, everything will make sense. Yeah. So the other thing that we did make is the lower side. We were also making the lower side of the bed, and you can see that I used those that contact glue to attach everything together. As you can see, you apply both on the surface, that is the frame, and also on the foam, so that it will attach there permanently, and it will be something very, very permanent, something very strong. Yeah, and I'll be attaching it and then covering also, so that the design that the client wanted will come into into, I don't know what to say, but it will make sense if you just watch the video. Anyway, if this is your first time clicking on our video, I just want to tell you thank you for clicking on this video. Yeah, I appreciate that. You can also visit our channel, watch more of our content, because we have posted a variety of videos. We have posted a variety of bed transformation different designs. We have DIYs, we have bed transformation makeovers, and many more, and I'll be posting more videos for you guys, so you can subscribe to my channel so that you can learn one or two or get ideas. Or also you can just comment down below if you want to reach us out for this work. We can do, because we normally do for all the clients. You can reach out and we can talk more on how we can make your bed into a modern design. Doing this bed transformation is kind of cheaper, because the prices are normally almost half the price of buying a new bed. So if you have an old bed, you don't need to throw it away or give it out. You can just transform it into a modern design, and in short, you can reuse your old wooden bed instead of throwing it away or disposing it or giving it away. Yeah, so I'm going to be leaving you at this. Kindly consider subscribing to my channel, consider liking this video, share with your friends and family, comment down below, tell me what you think about the whole bed transformation, and watch the video till the end so that everything will make sense, so that you can understand everything that I did during the process. And I will definitely see you in my next videos. Bye.